For centuries, bats have been wrapped in myth and superstition. Often feared as spooky creatures of the night or mistaken for flying mice, they are actually some of the most fascinating and essential animals on our planet. Today, we are going to shine a light into the darkness and uncover the true story of bats. They aren't villains in a horror movie. They are the unsung heroes of our global ecosystem. Did you know bats are the only mammals capable of true, sustained flight? Flying squirrels can only glide, but bats actually fly. Their scientific order is called Chiroptera, which translates from Greek to hand wing. If you look closely at a bat's wing, it's structurally very similar to a human hand. They have elongated fingers connected by a thin, flexible membrane of skin called the patagium. This incredibly flexible structure allows them to make tight turns and aerial maneuvers that even the most agile birds cannot match. Contrary to the old saying, blind as a bat, bats can actually see quite well. But when hunting in pitch-black conditions, they rely on a biological superpower, echolocation. The bat emits high-frequency sound waves, usually through its mouth or nose, that travel out into the environment. When these sound waves hit an object, like a delicious mosquito or a tree branch, the echo bounces back to the bat's highly sensitive ears. Their brains process this information instantly, creating a sonic map of their surroundings. They can determine the size, shape, and even the texture of a tiny insect in midair, entirely in the dark. What do bats eat? The answer is incredibly diverse. There are over 1,400 species of bats, and their diets vary wildly. Insectivores, about 70% of bats eat insects. A single brown bat can eat up to 1,000 mosquitoes in just 1 hour. Frugivores, or fruit bats, are found in tropical regions. These flying foxes eat fruit and drink nectar. They are larger, have big eyes, and rely on sight and smell rather than echolocation. Carnivores, a small percentage hunt frogs, fish, mice, and even smaller birds. And yes, vampire bats exist, but there are only 3 species found in Central and South America, and they mostly drink the blood of livestock, like cows and pigs, rarely bothering humans. Bats are incredibly adaptable and live on every continent except Antarctica. They roost in caves, old mines, hollow trees, and even the attics of human buildings. Some species are solitary, but others form the largest congregations of mammals on Earth. Bracken Cave in Texas, USA, is home to a summer maternity colony of nearly 20 million Mexican free-tailed bats. When they emerge at dusk to hunt, it looks like a massive, swirling tornado made of living creatures, a truly breathtaking natural phenomenon. We owe a massive debt to bats for the health of our planet and our economy. Pest control. By eating billions of insects every night, bats save the agricultural industry billions of dollars a year in pesticide costs and protect our crops from destruction. Pollination. If you like bananas, mangoes, or tequila, think of bat. They are the primary pollinators for hundreds of plants, including the agave plant used to make tequila. Seed dispersal. Fruit bats are the farmers of the rainforest. As they eat fruit and fly long distances, they drop seeds, helping to replant heavily deforested areas. Despite their importance, bats are in trouble. They face severe threats from habitat destruction, climate change, and wind turbines. In North America, a devastating fungal disease called white nose syndrome has wiped out millions of bats in recent years. But there is hope. By protecting their habitats, reducing the use of harmful pesticides, and putting up bat houses in our neighborhoods, we can help these incredible animals recover. It's time we stop fearing the bat and start protecting the masters of the night sky.